Oh, this is disgusting.
Dinner has been ruined. We can no longer eat the potatoes. Woo!
2 hours later.
Hannah's digging out the, we're not sure if it's a fire pit, but we're gonna make it a fire pit.
What's underneath? I think it's a fire pit. Oh.
Got this super cool hand forged tripod that we're gonna be using.
Oh, there we go.
No, there's nothing under it. There we go.
All right, let's dive in. Oh, this is disgusting.
What? I was worried. Shake that turkey leg. Isn't that a song? Oh, playing with fire there. Literally.
Yeah, you almost need to just like rotate these back and forth this way too.
Are you cold?
I don't know where my backside.
I'm wearing.
Something I never thought I needed. Something I never thought I'd have. As if they are too hard to believe in. The moment I ever called them mine, I knew exactly what I was calling. I knew exactly what to say. There will be nothing to get over if I just let it slip away.
Ooh, that smells good. Bread cubes. I'm measuring everything with my heart. Which is probably not the way that you're supposed to do it, but it's the way that I cook most of the time. So. To marinate.
Well, Thanksgiving dinner has been ruined. We can no longer eat the potatoes. They have just all over the snowy, sloppy ground. So what are we gonna do? I think we should wash them off. Use some water, wash them off.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, we got water. Wash the potatoes off. It's okay. 5-second rule.
Might be a little...
Yeah, what do we got left over there?
I'm just finishing up everything over here. Huh?
Yep.
Okay.
It might stop working. And some butter. We're gonna put those right there. Let those cook. Not bad. It's done. At least it looks done, huh? Oh yeah, it's
Oh
done.
yeah, it looks
It
dry.
might actually be a little too done, huh?
Oh no, it's good.
Oh, that's actually great.
That's amazing.
Wow.
It's salty.
It's super salty.
Oh, that's good.
Oh wow.
That was actually really good.
It's
I can get eaten. I think we're starving.
so hungry.
This turkey turned out so good.
Yeah, it did. I was so worried about it, but
Snow's falling out of the tree. Hopefully it doesn't knock us out.
the stuffing. Let me go get the stuffing.
I'll grab. Surprised by how good that turkey is.
Me too.
I thought it was gonna be like, meh. It turned out really good.
I don't know the best way to do this.
Just scoop it in there, yeah. It's a little wet, but I bet.
Chicken broth than I needed
Yeah.
to. Okay. Oh, look at that meal.
Thanksgiving dinner in the middle of the woods with our dog in the snow. We don't have to listen to other people. We just have to listen to ourselves, bitch.
These are good beans.
Are they?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm keep on that. Good beans, good potatoes, good turkey. excuse me to take her potty. Well, it's a beautiful morning out here. It's a little chilly. I think it's about 27 degrees. I slept pretty good. I don't think Nikki slept very good. I could hear her moving around last night. She did sleep most of the day, but girl. So I think we're gonna get some coffee going for her so that she can get waked up. Cheers. I think she might want a little coffee, so we're gonna get up there and give her this. It's right-handed setup, not left-handed setup. I can't fix it. You gotta turn it all the way around. It's dark in here.
Yeah.
Feel puffy.
They look puffy for sure.